In our last Pacsafe video, we talked about how excited we were that they finally came out with a backpack that was perfect for hiking. I was using the 30-liter Venturesafe that was great for day trips. The challenge I had with it was when I was going on multi-day treks. I needed more room for my clothes and gear. Well, problem solved. The Venturesafe X40 Plus Anti-Theft 40-liter multi-purpose backpack. I can now carry my gear along with a few days of clothes. Security and multifunctionality meet in this multi-purpose, lightweight, and comfortable backpack. The X40 has features that both protect from the elements and the threat of pickpockets and bag slashers. The backpack is very comfortable, even with the weight of all my gear. It has a U-shaped aluminum frame, padded backpack harness, and waist belt with breathable EVA. The straps are slash guard protected. The bag is covered by Pacsafe's Exomesh, RFID Safe pockets, lockable zippers, built-in hideaway rain cover, lots of pockets for your wallet and other valuables. The front pocket is perfect for my laptop. The main feature that caught my eye about the backpack was the ability to access all my gear from the back. The optional CamSafe camera insert will easily hold my 2 cameras, drone, and all the accessories. And to be able to quickly access everything from the back is awesome.
If you'd like to see more videos from Travel Life Experiences, just click on the video below. And if you like what you see, subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button.